This channel is for educational purposes, and all the videos, presentations, and the writings are only for educational purposes and are not intended as investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk after consulting your financial advisor. Hello guys, this is Frank the United FX, and this is our weekly Elliott wave outlook of currency pairs, meta indices, and the rest of them. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumb like, and also share this video. Thank you. So let's move on to the business of the day. This is DSY. This is 4 hours DSY. What am I really expecting by next week? When you look at this very place, you can see a lot of liquidity. You can see those liquidity there. So I expect the market to clear that liquidity off by next week. Clear it off, pick some order from here, then drop. That's what I'm expecting from DSY. So I'm expecting to clear that liquidity, pick orders, then drop. Euro US dollar. We have similar scenario. Also, I told you that Euro US dollar is always an inverse of DSY. Looking at it, the same thing is expected in this very place. When you look at it, you can see the wave 1, you can see the 2, you can see the 3, you can see the 4. So this is 5. What am I expecting? This is A, this is B, and this is C. So the market to clear also the liquidity that is here, the liquidity there, where I mark X, then pick order from this very box from there up. What I'm expecting from Euro US dollar. The market can choose to break the low, come down in the very place, pick order from here and go. So any which one, the market always has the final say. Okay, this is Great Britain US dollar. Great Britain US dollar. So this is an correction. ABC. It's an correction. ABC. So the market to also go into this place, pick some orders and then drop. But before that, before this order will be laid out, what I really expect market to do first of all is to come down low, take the liquidity that is here, and then come up here before dropping. That's what I expected from market to come down low, take liquidity before market begins to drop. This is an Australian dollar, US dollar. Australian dollar, US dollar. So looking at it, you can see that markets still have some down moves to do. The market came to this very place and pick some order here. It's dropping. So what am I really expecting in the market? There's the market to come up a little bit by Monday and then give us a drop to this very place. This very place, you're going to drop to that very place before or even below it before another buy will come. That's what I'm expecting in Australian dollar, US dollar. US dollar, Japanese yen, US dollar, Japanese yen. Play the first one on me on Tuesdays. Can see that I hit stop loss in this very place. I was trying to buy it from that very level, from this level to this very place. Because I know this is A, and this is so this supposed to be here, then C. So but the B came down and broke the lows, making it to be like an expanded. So I'm activating expanded flat on this very place. So what I'm expecting now, this one is gone. What I'm really expecting in this Japanese, Japanese US dollar Japanese yen. So what I'm expecting is very simple. I'm expecting the market by Monday to come up here, then pick some order from this very place and go. So it will be A, B, and C. This is the expanded flat. Expanded flat. That's what I'm expecting in this very thing. US dollar Japanese yen. Okay, this is US dollar. This is US dollar Swiss francs. When you look at it, you can see it's like an ascending triangle. It's giving us an ascending triangle. So what am I really expecting? I'm expecting the markets to drop to here, maybe go up a little bit to this very place, then drop to this resistance zone, supply zone, then pick up to this very place and complete this and give us a correction for continuing. So I expect it to come to that value. That's why I marked it. But I will enter it immediately. I will wait for confirmation in lower time frame. So when there's confirmation in lower time frame, then I can buy it up to that place. But if it's not confirmed, the market has possibility of breaking this low. Market has possibility of breaking this place and coming down here. So there's possibility for that because this can be A, B, C. Then continuation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it can happen like that. So you can swear happen like that. So that is why we need to confirm it. You don't just rush in when you get to here. You have to confirm the buy before you start buying. This is Euro Japanese yen. Of course, I wanted to buy it from here when it came close to this very place and it started falling. I thought it's going to be over, but looking at it now, I discovered that it's going to be on like a diagonal correction. That is A, B, C, D, and E. So it's expected it to come up to my entry. So I'm still holding it a sell limit there and then drop. So it's making a kind of diagonal or triangle correction. A little wave triangle correction. Now this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and this is E. Once E is complete, then you see the market drop so hard. What I'm expecting from this very pair. So, but market had a final say. So I would advise if you want to sell it, wait for confirmation at this very place. Allow the market to come to that place, confirm the sell before you enter. This is Great Britain. This is Japanese yen. What am I expecting in the Japanese yen? I told the markets to come up to this very place, clear this 200, and then drop. So that's what I'm expecting in that very pair. Very simple expectation. This is US30. US30 in this. What am I expecting in the market from US30 in this? After a correction to come up here, clear this low. This low is clear. Pick some order and go up. That's it. So this low will be cleared. This very low will be cleared. That is what I'm expecting to clear this low and then give me a basket up. Then I will buy from that place. NASDAQ. NASDAQ is hyper bullish. I don't see it coming down anytime. It has been bullish for long. So what am I really expecting? When you look at this, you can see that this is looking like exactly like a corrective pattern. Let's expand it a little bit. This is a corrective pattern. It's a corrective pattern A, B, C. So this place is a very uh, good zone to buy. But I think the market may come down a little bit more to liquidate that zone, then go up. I'm expecting from this early pair. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, then this is 4, and then 5. That's what I'm expecting in NASDAQ minus 100. German DAX. I've not read this for a very long time now because it's playing out well though, but I'm not reading it. So what am I expecting in these days now? I expect the markets to come to this valley down, clear this low, then move on. What I'm expecting from DAX index. What am I expecting from DAX index? I'm not doing this one. Gold. Gold. Gold has been a very good pair, and looking at it, you can see have a very good pattern. Can you see the pattern that is there? It has completed the 5-way structure, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it's now coming down to give us a correction. This is A, this is B. So I'm setting C to end inside this box. So anywhere inside this box, you see a buy setup, you buy and hold. Because gold is going to fly up. We're expecting in gold. You can see it collectively. I'm looking for a buy setup inside that box. Once market come inside that place, give me a very good buy setup, then I will enter. Good. Silver. If you have been watching my previous video on silver, I told you guys this is wave A in silver. This is B. So I'm planning silver to come C, then we'll buy. So I'm planning to take away this low. To take away this low, I will look for a buy setup here and buy. That's how I'm going to trade silver by next week. BTC. This is Bitcoin. Of course, when you look at Bitcoin, you can discover that this is the 5th wave, 5-wave structure of 5th wave. Look at it. This is the wave 4. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what do you expect? A correction. And this time around, I suspect that the correction is going to be very deep. Going to be a very deep correction because normally during the month of August, crypto normally come down. Crypto will always come down the month of August and the month of August and the month of what do you call it? August and the month of September. So I'm expecting the market to give me a correction to up here into the place to this very place. From there I will look for my sell setup, and sell down to 100,000, 95,000, the rest of them. So it's going to continue to go down till we enter the month of October. The same thing goes to other crypto pairs. Like Ethereum did a wonderful. I didn't even pay attention to Ethereum. I was only opportune to enter Ethereum at this very place. I entered here, I bought here, and I sold here. And Ethereum made a high to almost 5,000. So I think Ethereum is going to touch 5,000 before it's coming down. I think Ethereum is going to give us a new high. That's a 5,000 this very place before selling. What's what I'm expecting in Ethereum. I think that is all, guys. Okay, let's look at this pair because I have some setup on this pair. Okay, this is one of the pair I'm looking to sell this pair because I see some interesting pattern on the pair. So it's coming close to my setup, and our advice is want to sell it, wait for confirmation. Once the market tap into here, you can use aggressive to enter. You can use confirmation to enter any which one. But I have order placed there. Tap it on my orders and drop. This is my first take profit, and second take profit is here. So what am I really expecting? I'm expecting that this thing is a expanded flat correction. See what I'm telling you guys? So this seems to be A, B, and C. an expanded flat correction. That is what I'm expecting. Then a drop. That is what I'm expecting in this Euro Australian dollar. But the market has the final say, though. So, but we must keep on trading. And what matters is about your risk management. If you are good at risk management, then success is your starting point. So, guys, thank you for watching and subscribe to the channel. Give it a thumb like and bye for now. Thank you.